My name is Jack Wenzinger. I am part of the media entertainment vertical at AWS. Specifically, I support technology partners as they're leveraging AWS services in the cloud to support their customers.
Hi, my name is Keith Hogan. I'm the CTO of Pixspan, and we do data movement on-premise, from premise up to the cloud and throughout the cloud, and we also have a compression solution.
It's not an ideal configuration what we did. We turned up an EC2 server, but with the LA local zones with single-digit millisecond latency, we were able to turn up a CPU in the cloud while doing NFS on-prem.
Right, and we had that working in about an hour from once that instance was spun up. So just the flexibility in AWS is phenomenal, and that allowed us to be able to choose, do it in London, do it in LA, it didn't really matter.
But what are some examples where you've been able to reach out either to your customers or other partners and been able to establish, kind of a much more complex solution set in, comment on time or complexity or what it is that has helped or hurt?
Yeah, the partnership for working together on AWS didn't start at HPA, right? A lot of us have done work together, and OwnZones and Pixspan have worked together to get data from a customer to OwnZones at a much faster rate. They were bandwidth limited, weren't going to meet the time schedules, so there's a use case out this with Technicolor delivering content to OwnZones, and Pixspan worked with OwnZones and made that happen.
Yeah, and it's a great real-world example of exactly kind of what we've been trying to do in this room today. In the same vein, we're doing that as part of the Lederhosen project, right, with the acceleration of the Pixspan kind of compression technology for the different frames. And so the Technicolor in particular has really benefited from that with kind of really large projects that need to be moved very quickly and have very short timelines.